So is Hari. That Hari is called Krishna. So he is Dev of Dev, Sarvakari Karana. He is Adi and he is Anadi also. So we have come here. Ketu Giriraj Govardhan lost this little finger. It is the middle of the whole mountain. ये गिरिराज गोवर्धन का मध्य भाग है, जहां से उन्होंने उठाया था. Krishna lifted this mountain, Giriraj Govardhan, situated in the middle of the whole Govardhan. It was 14 miles, 7. So in the middle, 7 miles here, and he lifted. Here in this Brahma Kunda, now it is covered. It is full of mud and on the bank of that, Manasa Devi is there. Now they don't know who is Manasa. They think that is Durga Manasa. But actually it is not that. Here Manasa, Manashi Ganga. Once Nanda Jasoda, they asked their child Krishna that we want to take bath in Ganges. Ganges, मैं स्नान करना चाहता हूँ. कृष्ण हमारे साथ में चलो गंगा में. They told that we don't want to go there. We want to take bath here in Govardhan, in Ganges. We know that you can pray and Ganges will hear your prayer. Not like that personality of Godhead and you will order Ganga and she will come. Not like this. Oh, you are, everyone hears you, so you can pray and she can come. At first, Krishna thought in his mind, Ganga should come. Ganga was very happy that today I will go to breastfeed my younger sister, very beautiful, very sweet. Jamuna is there. So she was eager to meet her sister. Jamuna also was eager to meet with her eldest daughter, eldest sister. So she came to Jamunavati, very near her, and they met there. Big current was coming from the Ganges. Very fast current was there. So all came here and they took bath in Ganges here. Also Ganges told that I will never give up this Vrindavan and Govardhan. I want to be here forever. Krishna gave benediction that yes, you can be here. So Ganges is here and his Adhishthatri Devata is Manashi Ganga. So Manashi Ganga is there on the Brahma Kunda. Brahma has done austerities for lakhs and lakhs years here. Because he knew that only austerities in Govardhan, it will be fulfilled very easy. So he did. Also, Shankar is also here, all the demigods and all the gods. Once, about 50 years before, a very infant girl came here. She had no bone. She could not stand up. She was at the age of 12. She told her father and mother, we are going to do parikrama of Govardhan. I want to also go, but you cannot do. See, I must go. Anyhow, you should take me and to Govardhan. हमको किसी प्रकार से गोवर्धन में आप लोग ले चलिए, उसका दर्शन कर लेंगे. किंतु उसको हार नहीं था, वो नहीं सकती. At last, their father and daughter were ready, and they took who could not father, mother told that, oh, you should be here on Danbhati and we are going to do parikrama, and after parikrama we will take you with us. They went living along that girl. She prayed to Govardhan, Govardhan, all are doing parikrama, can I not do? सभी लोग परिक्रमा कर रहे हैं, मैं नहीं परिक्रमा कर सकती। ऐसा कहा करके हे गिरिराज गोवर्धन, हमको कुछ शक्ति दीजिए, मैं भी गोवर्धन की परिक्रमा कर सकती और आपसे कुछ नहीं मांगती हूँ, मैं परिक्रमा आपकी करूँ। She told, pray to Govardhan, Giriraj, you are fulfilling all the desires of all persons who are coming and giving parikrama. So I want that I do parikrama. You should give me strength so that I may see. Then I will anyhow sitting I will do परिक्रमा. मैं घसीट करके भी चल करके परिक्रमा करूंगी. She was so wondered that he began to stood up in his feet. वो अपने पैरों पर धीरे धीरे खड़ा होने लगी और देखा जी मैं खड़ी हो गई. एक पैर चला तो देखी जी चलने लगी. He tried to walk something and she saw that very little she walked. And she did parikrama in 1 month, very slowly, but he did. And after that he made another parikrama. Then daily he used to go parikrama. And he prayed that, Giriraj Govardhan, I don't want to have your benediction. Please be merciful to me. And is what is so highest benediction. At last, at the age of 60, daily she used to go to parikrama. And he left his body here in Ganga. Now so many Brajavasi and all, they worship her. And even they observe his last day, disappearance. And they spend so much money for that. यदि एक लंगड़ी चल नहीं सकती और उसने गोवर्धन परिक्रमा किया, उसका जीवन सफल हो गया. Father, mother, brother, he left our home, everything. तो हम लोग क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं? वहीं पर रहते और उस परिक्रमा करते और उसका ये सब मनोरथ पूर्ण. So why we cannot do like this? Govardhan can fulfill our whole desires. This Haridev. इस हरिदेव जी के चरणों में हम प्रार्थना करते हैं, आप लोगों पर कृपा करें, हम पर कृपा करें. I am praying Giriraj Govardhan for his all, that what ambition you have, desire, he should fulfill. But don't desire any worldly desire. What I have told, Radha Dasyam, Radha Dasyam, Radha Dasyam. Go Pramanande. हरिदेव की. अब हम लोग चलेंगे वहाँ अपने स्थान पर और गिरिराज गोवर्धन का अभिषेक और उनका अन्न करने की हम व्यवस्था करेंगे. Now we are going to our place. They are ready to.
अभिषेक होगा।
Hare Krishna. Those who want double service, Hare Krishna. Those who want double service, they can go again. There are many, many places. Hare Krishna. There are many, many places. Please go on double. Two times. Many more places back.
Narari.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
এই নারারি এইদিকে একটু দে তো। এই মারাই কাছে দাও, বাইকটা মারাই কাছে। বল দুজনে মিলে বল। দুজন যেরকম বলছিস না।
उत्तरायणे दक्षिणायने कार्तिक मासे दामोदर मासे प्रतिपद्यांति शुक्रवारान्वितायां श्री ब्रजमंडल स्थित श्री गिरिराज गोवर्धन पाददेशे तदीय कमले महाभिषेक अन्नकूट महोत्सव पूजा प्रीत्यार्थे तदीय पूजा अभिषेक
अहम करिष्ये करके
कृष्णदास ब्रह्मचारी महाराज के माला महाराज उल्टा रखो परे दिते
এই শুভানন্দ মুখের কাছে নিয়ে মুখের কাছে নিয়ে
अभिषेक try to make one by one. You should go like this.
वृषभानु पुत्र दानं गृहीतुं कलहं वितेने श्रुतेष्विह यत्र महत् अतः श्री गोवर्धनो मे विशताम् अभीष्टं दिशताम् अभीष्टं दिशताम् अभीष्टम गिरिराज धरण की प्रणाम एंड गिरिराज महाराज की अन्नकूट महामहोत्सव गौर प्रेमानंद प्रेमानंद की और वहाँ चलना है You should take one and go. अरे जोर करे बहुत
श्रीलो सच्चिदानंद भगवान दास की जय जय श्रीलो वैष्णव धर्मो जगन्नाथ दास महाराज की जय श्रीलो बंशीदास महाराज की जय जय श्री सनातन भद्रनाथ शिव गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ साई गोसाई प्रभु की जय जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद चंद्र जगन्नाथ शिवानंद शिव जादव महाजन वैष्णव की जय भगवान भक्तवृंद की जय पूर्णवास की जय जय ललितास भगवान की जय राधा रानी की जय राधा रानी राधा रानी महारानी की जय कृतिका सुंदर केवल राजा की जय यशोदानंद महाराज की जय जय श्री राधा कृष्ण धाम की जय कृष्ण नाम रूप कुंड की जय राधा कुंड गोवर्धन की जय जय भक्तिवंत वामन गोसाई महाराज की जय महाराज नारायण महाराज की जय भजन महाराज की जय भजन महाराज की जय स्वामीगण की जय गोविंद समिति भक्तवृंद की जय गोविंद समिति परिवार भक्तवृंद की जय गुरु परंपरा की जय
With gopis and Radhika cannot be there. So he is not in male form. If he is female form, then it may be. But when Srimati Radhika is meeting with Krishna, and a special kinds of pastimes is going on there, where Lalita or any gopi can live, cannot live. So how she can live? So seeing Radha and Krishna when they are meeting alone, seeing them, he is full of joy, extends joy, and he becomes like a stone at once. Understand? Ecstasy, anand is there, happiness is there, and in so much ananda, he becomes like a stone. Like in a faint, a person like becomes. So he becomes like a stone, but even he has so much mood that Shakshani Dani Kele Rasaniti Navajuno Shakshani Dani Kele Dutupanamala Viddhang Shyam Veding Prakashya Rasik Barpulana. He has become a stone, like a stone, but he is Rasika Barapulana. His top in the line of Rasik Bar. He is giving scope to Radha and Krishna that, oh, Radha and Krishna are knowing that anyone not here. No male, no woman, not anyone is not here. And very, nishinta ho karke.
Just because he is not taking any personal form, so he is relieving Radha Krishna from this tension that no one is there.
Like anywhere, there is no one there. We can be naked there, no harm. In bathroom, shutting the doors, we may be naked, whether male or woman, because none is there. But if walls, mirrors, and all were male or female, then what? He cannot be. So in this way, Govardhan is posing that I am like a wall, like a stone, but he is very much a Rashik, and now he is feeling so much ananda, mood. Mood means happiness. Why happiness? But because my two conjugals are playing here. no lajja, shame, nothing. Like in Nishanta Leela, as you have heard anywhere. No cloth, it may be. Sometimes her hairs may be in Radhika, yeah. And she is trying to untie. Then Krishna comes and unties. So many pastimes here in Govardhan. Because he is Sakshini, witness. So Giriraj, hearing this prayer, told that, oh, what benediction you want? You have prayed in me such a way that I am so much happy. I want to give you any benediction as you will want. Then he told, who is telling this? He is telling, if you are so much happy to me, if you are glad to me hearing this, and you are pleased, and you want to give the benediction, I want that how you are Rashik Barpulana, and how you enjoy the pastimes, very rare pastimes. I want to realize, I want to have all these leela in my heart. So please, so that I will be witness for this for others. So he is wanting like this. Very, very high class of benediction. Raghunath Das Goswami wants this. So we should pray. We have not to pray. Raghunath Das Goswami has made a roti chapati for us. He has done, he has cooked, he has given makkan, bread, he has given ghee, butter, very tasteful, very sweet, very komal, soft. Some sense are there. So he has made it in his prayers. Now we can again repeat it, these slokas, the moods of this sloka. And by repeating, Giriraj will again be so happy. And we can have that benediction. What Raghunath Das Goswami has told. This is called a Rupanuga Bhajan. If you do like this. How we can follow Raghunath Das Goswami and Rupa Goswami? What they have prayed, how they have practiced this bhajan in the guidance of Ragatmika. Especially Rup Raghunath, always in the guidance of Ananga Manjari, Lalita Sakhi, Vishakha Sakhi, always. Then if you repeat all these things, always repeating, chanting like that, having these modes, they can follow Rup Raghunath. Rup Raghunath pade jar aas, prarthana kare sada. So we can have. Though it is very durlabh, very rare. In lakhs and lakhs, it is very rare, all these things. But we have come here. Govardhan is here. Today you have all done very biggest Annakut. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami has taken the name of 360 preparations. But today you have made very miracle. About 700 preparations were there. More than that. So having this, Giriraj Govardhan is so much satisfied, and he will tell. Especially, we made this prayer to him. Then he will be so much melted hearing these things. And he is eager to give all these things. But it is very hard. samasya to keep it, to digest all this. If anyone having worldly desires, they cannot digest it. So we must pray him that he should take all worldly desires. Don't remember your homes, your children, your wealth and anything. Only here remember all these pastimes, everything which you are saying, and then you will have his mercy. Now I am coming to the point, one thing more. You know Brahma? ब्रह्मा को आप लोग जानते हैं। कृष्ण ने जब अगासुर को मारा, when Krishna killed Aghasur, a light came from his body and matched in the toe of Krishna. And seeing this, he wondered, how a demon like Aghasur, and he has got salvation like Sarup Mukti. Now he wanted to see some other pastimes of Krishna. At once Yogamaya came and controlled this Brahma. Why? Krishna was thinking that, oh, all the cows wants to that I should be their son. All the gopis who are matured gopis, they want that, oh, I should have a Krishna as a son. We want to support and give our breast to him. There were so many gopis of little age, even they may be of 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 years age. All they wanted that Krishna should be our husband, our beloved. So there has been so many reasons that Krishna wanted to fulfill their desires. How can he do? Just today, Brahma has told that I want to see some more new some pastimes of Krishna. So he called Yogamaya. At once she came and she controlled Brahma. Now Brahma is not thinking, but who is thinking? Who is making thinking him? Yogamaya. So he thought, he was thinking that I am thinking. But really he was not thinking, but Yogamaya was inspiring in his heart. First, I will see. How I will see the pastimes of so sweet Krishna? Oh, I will have to do some fun. I will have to anyhow steal the cow herd boys and go. How I can do? Oh, when they are taking their lunch, at once Brahma took the calves and he hidden in a cave. And when all the boys were going to search, he took all the boys and kept in another cave. And Krishna was searching them, searching here and there. At that time Krishna, this mouth was dry. He was in worry. Where to have these? Where my calves? Where my friends have gone? And at once, एक चेयर दोनों भाई मैं क्या दूं? आज गोवर्धन जी से प्रार्थना करूंगा ये आपके पूरे परिवार पर ऐसे ही माला आपको यहाँ पर आने पर यही एक लाभ हुआ। भाई इनको प्रसाद दिया कि नहीं? अब तुम जाओ और इन लोगों को बैठा करके अच्छी तरह से प्रसाद और मथुरा में हम चलिए, मैं आपको बुला आपके घर से भी आएंगे, बुला हाँ उनको बुला लीजिए, बुला हाँ तो नीचे बैठे हम लोग के साथ
आप भी आ जाओ।
इसका फल बहुत बड़ा भारी होगा। राज्य की आप पर बहुत कृपा होगी। जो आपकी नहीं जाएंगे वो भी आपको बेटा भी आए, दोनों भी आए। बहुत तुम्हारे पास में जाकर के हिसाब पाया परिक्रमा किया,
सब परिक्रमा कर रहे हैं, सब परिक्रमा कर रहे हैं।
Then what I was telling?
His mouth was dry with worry.
So what to do? He was looking here and there. Where my cups and friends had gone. In the meantime, Brahma went to his Brahmalok. But when he was entering in Brahmalok, at once the doorkeeper told me, who are you? He told, I am Brahma, your master. The gatekeeper told, you are not Brahma. My Brahma is here sitting on the chair in the council. Four-headed, he is here. Brahma thought that, who is here? I am Brahma, I have four mouths, four-headed. Who has come here? In the main day, Krishna manifested him as a Brahma. And he went there and he took his throne there. He told the gatekeeper, take him out of here, Brahmalok. He should not come, he is any cheater. Imposter. Yeah. So get him out from here. Brahma at once returned and he saw, with four-headed, he saw, oh, he is there. Oh, my master Krishna is here. He is supreme of law, he is supreme personality of Godhead. He has done this. So at once he thought that I have done so much wrong and I have done offences in the lotus feet of Krishna. At once he returned to Vrindavan. It took 1 year. In the meantime, what became here in Vrindavan? Gargacharya told, he ordered to all the goats. This year is very auspicious. So any girl who is 1 year, 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, 12 years, anyhow, they should be married this year. And Krishna became all the boys of Vrindavan. So all marriage was done by Krishna. But no one was knowing this, only Jog Maya. Understood what I told? In the shapes of all the friends, all the sticks, all the kambal, all the peacocks, everything at that time was Krishna. So all the boys, cowherds boys, were Krishna. So all were married to Krishna. Those who are also in Om, girl, and if anyone come in the shape of any boy in their home, then we will marry this also. So all were married by Krishna. So when Krishna did Ras, all beloveds were Krishna wife-like. So Krishna has done nothing wrong. Huh? To give this argument, Krishna has done like this. Also, for 1 year, Krishna became all the cops of Braja. A special thing came. What a special thing? At first, all the gopis, mothers, they used to support, nourish, and to love Krishna more than their own sons. But now what happened? Equally, their own sons were in caves, and Krishna became their sons, and Krishna in his own shape was the son of Jashoda. So now both were same. So the love and affection for Krishna and the love and affection for their were similar, not less or high. But at first they used to love their children not so much like Krishna. So this happened. One day, in the last day, when Brahma came here, all the gop boys, cowherd, were grazing cows on the hill of top of Govardhan Giriraj. And Krishna was with a cowherd, very little boy. He was grazing calves only, very little, 1 year old calves. Krishna was in Madhuban with all the calves and cowherd boys. They saw here, the cows saw that, oh, 1 year old, our calves are there. All the calves newly burned, they were with them on the top of hill, with them. But they saw 1 year old calves and began to run towards that old calves. Cows want to love more who are newly born. They can forget new old one. But here became a strange opposite. They will at once attracted to old one and began to run and gallop. All the cowherd persons, like fathers of the boys, they wanted to check them with their sticks, so big sticks, bamboo sticks. But now the cows are running so fast that they could not do. They became so angry. Especially they became angry to the boys with Krishna who were playing on flutes and cows were attracted. So they became so angry and they wanted to go there and to chastise and beat their boys, their sons. Cows went there so quickly there and they began to give milk to their old calves and they began to chatane lagi as if they will take them in their heart. Baldev Prabhu was there at that day. He was thinking, what is the matter now? The cows giving up old newborn calves and they are coming to attracted to their old one sons. And also I have marked, now today I have seen that all the gopis, they are not loving their They are equally love and affection for both Krishna and their son. But at first I have remarked that they love more Krishna than their own son. But how? I am seeing all this. He began to see by his Yog Maya. Oh, it cannot be any demon's Maya. It cannot be of any ghost. Because anyone cannot हमको मुक्त नहीं कर सकता. So, whose Maya is here? Why it is going on so? So he was thinking. At last, Krishna began to smile something. Oh, I knew today. Only your mother's milk was not sufficient for you. So you used to go to take, you have made lakhs and lakhs mother. And all the cups, oh, you are all the cups now. Where they are, old one. Taking the milk of lakhs and lakhs gopis, mothers, your stomach is not fulfilled yet. So you have become the son and calf of all the cows. How strange. How you can find that? Krishna smiled. Oh, it is your Yog Maya that you have done. You wanted to fulfill the desire of all the cows, of all the mothers, of all the ladies, girls who wanted to marry you, and so many. You wanted to fulfill the desire of Brahma to show him so beautiful pastimes. Now anyone cannot bewilder me. So now, in the meantime, Brahma came and Krishna brought all the crops and all his cowherd, and he became alone. Brahma began to apologize, and he read so many poetries in his honor. He told one thing at last. Tadabhuri bhagyamiha jan kimap atapyam jajago kilabi katamang rajo visheka jat jivitang bhagwan api. He, in Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th, 14th adhyay, I want to take the dust of all the gopis here, or anyone of Vrindavan, tadabhuri bhagyamiha. If I will be anyone in Vrindavan, and I will touch the dust of your dust or any Brajvasi, then I will be so lucky, so much fortunate. Krishna told, what service you have done? I am a son of Gop. I am not so pure. I take the remains of all the boys. I take something, but never wash my hands and mouth, you know. I do like that. I am not pure, I am impure always. So why you are praying me? Oh, now I have known you. You are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So now you cannot cheat me. Please have mercy on me. Bestow your mercy on me. I want to be anything, any creeper, any grass, any tree, even a stone, not even in Vrindavan, if in Gokul. You know stones, how they can use? If there is a sweeper and he has swept everywhere and she has returned to her home, she wants to wash her feet. So giving some water and keeping his rubbing on the stone. I want to be very stone. Understand what I told Ram?
Maharaj is saying that Brahma said that ultimately please make me that stone which after cleaning everything, every stool and of the Braj, when a sweeper goes to her house and wants to clean her feet, she uses that stone to clean her feet, to rub on it. So had I been that, I become that stone.
अच्छा बस 1 मिनट डिस्टर्ब मत करो आज। तो कृष्ण ब्रह्मा जी कह रहे हैं मैं आपके चरण धूलि लेने के लिए, ब्रजवासियों की चरण धूलि के लिए मैं एक पेड़ पौधा गुलमर्ग एक घास भी होना चाहता हूं जो ब्रजवासियों की चरण धूलि मिल जाए। कहीं भी हमारा जन्म हो जाए ब्रजवासियों की चरण धूलि चाहता हूं। यदि इतना मैंने सौभाग्य नहीं किया तो कहीं भी एक पत्थर होकर टुकड़ा होकर के भी यहाँ जाऊं जहां पर कि ब्रज की गोपियों की मैला टट्टी साफ करने वाली जमादारनी भी टट्टी कमा करके आए अपवित्र भी, और हमारे ऊपर में पैर रख करके और पानी दे करके रगड़े, तो मैं ऐसा पत्थर भी होना चाहता हूं यदि मेरा यह परम सौभाग्य होगा। इसलिए वृंदावन में मनुष्य कीट पतंग घास पत्थर कोई भी हो जाए और ब्रजवासियों की चरण, ब्रजवासी मैंने कौन, ब्रजवासी हैं कौन? जसोदा मैया हैं, गोप गोपी हैं, रूप गोस्वामी सनातन गोस्वामी इत्यादि ब्रजवासी इन लोगों की चरण की धूलि यदि मिल जाए तो हमारा जीवन कोटि कोटि जन्मों के लिए सफल हो जाएगा। बड़े बड़े राजा महाराजा रूप गोस्वामी सनातन गोस्वामी, बड़े बड़े और भी राजा महाराजा, ये लोग भी इन गोपियों की चरण की धूलि बनने लेने के लिए ललचते हैं। हमारे अभी पहले राष्ट्रपति थे राजेंद्र बाबू बिहार के ही, जब वो आते थे गोवर्धन में तो सब ब्राह्मणों के चरण की धूलि, भक्तों की चरण धूलि लेते, यहाँ की चरण धूलि लेकर के अपने चारों तरफ में लगाते थे। उस समय जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने कहा था पंडित जी आप क्या कर रहे हैं, ये हमारे राष्ट्र की मर्यादा आप नष्ट कर रहे हैं, एक राष्ट्रपति हो करके भी, और आप जो पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं इनकी चरण धूलि ले रहे हैं, यहाँ की धूलि लगा रहे हैं, ये गरिमा की बात नहीं है। राष्ट्रपति ने कहा जब पहले मैं भारतीय हिंदू हूं और मैं अपनी धार्मिक भावनाओं को लेकर के चलता हूं, यदि आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है तो मैं आज ही रिजाइन दे देता हूं, किंतु अपनी धार्मिक वृत्तियों को मैं नहीं छोड़ सकता। He told, our Rashtrapati, first Rashtrapati of India, he told, he came here in Vrindavan everywhere. He used to take the feet dust of Vaishnavas also here and there. Our Pradhan Mantri, Prime Minister told him that, oh, you are doing wrong. Because being a Rashtrapati and you are doing so many things, he told that I am going to resign just now, today. I don't want to be Rashtrapati. If I cannot have fulfill my modes, the feet dust of Vaishnavas, the feet dust of this Govardhan, then I don't want to be Rashtrapati or anything. तो ऐसे ऐसे सब लोग थे, हम लोग भी ऐसा ही होना चाहिए। भगवान के प्रति भक्ति नहीं है तो मनुष्य मनुष्य नहीं, वो गधे है। If anyone not doing bhajan, not knowing all these things, not doing parikrama, he has no taste, nothing. Dharma nahina pashvi samana. All shastra our hand. So we should be very punctual to do service of Krishna and to do bhajan. Gaur Pramanande Hare Krishna Hare
जय गिरि राजा जय गोवर्धना, गिरि राजा जय गोवर्धना, गिरि राजा जय गोवर्धना।
সম্ভব এখানে আসো জয় গিরি রাজা জয় গোবর্ধনা গিরি রাজা জয় গোবর্ধনা শিবা জয় জয় গোরা চাঁদে আরতি কত
आप लोग यदि बैठ जाएं, if you can sit, it will be very easy for all to sit here and to sit.
হরে কৃষ্ণ। আমরা বহু भाग्य फले अच्छा हम लोग का बहु भाग्य है जो हम लोग इस स्थान में पहुंचे हैं। वैष्णव लोग हम लोग को इतने कृपा किए हैं जो हम लोग यहाँ पहुंचने सके हैं।
कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय अभिक्ष्णता जातं हरि कथोपीत पुनाः भुवनं। हम लोग यहाँ पर पहुँचे हैं। पूज्यपाद महाराज जी ने आपको बतलाया कि उद्धव कुंड है। उद्धव कुंड किस लिए? कृष्ण ने उद्धव जी को भेजा था ब्रज में। उस समय ब्रज नंद गांव में था। कृष्ण ब्रज से मथुरा आए थे और जब शांतिपनी मुनि के यहाँ पाठशाला में पढ़े और वहां से लौट करके आए, जमुना के किनारे कहीं खड़े थे और उन्होंने ब्रज की तरफ में देखा। याद आई मेरी मैया कैसी होगी, मेरे पिताजी कैसे होंगे, गोपियां जो विरह में तड़प रही होंगी वो कैसे होंगी, हमारी गैया कैसे होंगी। और ये चिंतन करते करते उनका हृदय भर आया और वो रोने लगे। उद्धव जी कृष्ण को खोज रहे थे। कृष्ण हमें छोड़कर कहाँ गए? खोजते खोजते वो छत पर पहुंचे और वहां कृष्ण को रोते हुए देखा। उद्धव जी को देखकर के और रोने लगे। उद्धव जी ने उनको सांत्वना दी कृष्ण ने उनके हाथों को अपने हाथों में लेकर और कहने लगे, तुम मेरे सखा हो, तुम हमारे मित्र हो, तुम हमारे मंत्री हो, तुम हमारे प्रिय मित्र हो। तुमसे नहीं कहूंगा तो किससे कहूंगा? मैं बहुत दुखी हूं। हमारे दिया में सारे बछड़े और अब मुझसे भी नहीं सहा जाता। उद्धव, तुम ब्रज में जाओ और उनको सांत्वना दो। कृष्ण told to Uddhav, Uddhav, do you know that all the calves and cows are dying in my separation? My mother has become blind. Father not coming from home, always keeping alone and weeping. How can I explain this stage of gopis, my sakhis? Only they are keeping their lives in their body. That Krishna has promised that I will come tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And they are thinking that Krishna will come surely, surely, surely. But आज गया, कल गया, परसों गया, कृष्ण नहीं लौटे। Today went, yesterday went, so many days, so many years, years after years going on, but Krishna is not returning. So all are waiting. Yashoda Maya is not cooking anything. From whom he will cook? Anyone is not to wash the pots. They are upside down. And the makarsa उस पर जाल बुन दिया. Full of cobweb. So all are suffering so much separation. Uddhav, you are my friend, you are my mantri, minister, counselor, advisor. You are so intelligent. You have so much gyan, knowledge. Go and tell that I am God. Supreme Personality of God I am. And everywhere. There is no separation to anyone. Like in a pot of clay, there is no separation with clay, water or anything. So I am everywhere, tell them. And if they will know that by this knowledge, their separation mood will be set, subsided. Pujapad Devika Maharaj also told you. If there is no knowledge, no tattva gyan, then separation may come. But if there is tattva gyan, then no separation. So they should know like this. Go at once. Krishna gave his all dresses, pitambar, but not, there was no bansi and no stick of feather. Otherwise he gave everything. And he advised him to go through my golden chariot. And he said, Uddhav came to Braja at that time. In Nandagaon he came. What he said, what he saw, at once when he was in evening, when that darkness was coming, at once he saw that as if Krishna is there. All were happy. There was no separation mood at all. All the cows and all the Brajvasi were so happy. And next moment he also saw, oh, Udgayatinam Prajankara. All are singing. So he saw. First he saw that, oh, Krishna is here. Partly he is in Mathura and completely he is in Vrindavan now. So beautiful scenery he saw. And at once Jog Maya covered it and he saw all are waiting for Krishna. Cows are waiting, cows are waiting, they are not giving milk. All Brajavasi are so unhappy. Gopis are telling, oh, who has come now? Oh, it seems that the same golden chariot has come. Oh, Akrut has come again. He took Krishna from Braja. Now again, if Kansa is killed, why he has come to this Braja? Oh, we see. हम लोग देख रहे हैं, उद्धव किस लिए आया? अक्रूर, उसका रथ लाने की जरूरत क्या? अरे कंस तो मारा गया, उसको आने की क्या जरूरत? हाँ, हम समझते हैं एक दूसरी गोपी को, हम समझती हैं ये अक्रूर इसलिए आया कि अब कंस तो मारा गया और उसका पिंड दान करना है, तेरा नहीं करना है, इसलिए पिंड तो वहां पर मिलेगा नहीं और गोपियां और गोप लोग सब मर गए होंगे, उनका कलेजा निकाल करके पिंड के रूप में पिंड लेकर के और उसका संस्कार करेंगे. One gopi is asking another, why Akrut has come second? Is answering, oh, you don't know? Akrut has again come. Why he has come? He has come that now Kans has killed. And in Indian culture, Vedic culture, after 12 days or 13 days of Brahmins and 16 days are part for Vaishya and Kshatriya. Any sanskar is done, and in that sanskar, Brahmins give pinda to those who have died. So there is needed this for deceased, any pind has to be given. Still now in our country, all after death, after 13 days, 14 days, 15 days, this that sanskar. So that pind is needed. Mathura has no pind, so he has come to Braj. Why? Because all the Brajavasis have that and will take that with the finger. Fifteen means heart. And it will be given for that quickly. That is why he has come. Uddhav told himself, why I came on that chariot? Why I came here in this on golden chariot? I should have come in a very simple way, but I have come in a very opulence. With opulence I have come. One gopi tells to another, oh, who is he? He is some blackish, like that black one. His heart is also like black, like him. One told that, oh, do you know who is he? He is the Dut of Krishna, that black person, messenger of that person. Another is telling, I know him. Why? How you know? That Ishmael is coming as Ishmael was coming with Krishna. Same. How it came? So he is especially any messenger of that person. Oh, we are seeing that cloth also is of that black. Pitambar is of that black. So this fragrance is coming. उसका ये गंध आ रहा है. कैसे समझ लिया उनको कि ये कृष्ण के दूत हैं और इसके बाद में ये होने लगे, बातें होने लगी. उद्धव जी गोपियों की महिमा अंत में समझा और
करके देखा कि गोपियों का प्रेम इतना अधिक कृष्ण के प्रति है। Here I realized the gopi prem and how they are feeling separation. He saw that it is more than Himalayan virtue, Everest, more high. Uddhav cannot understand this thing because he knows that Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead, not like Brajavashi. But yet he realized something and he began to tell like this. आशामहो चरण रेणुजुषामहं श्याम वृंदावने किमप कुलौषधीना जब दुष्टजन स्वजन आद्य पतन चरित्वा हे जे मुकुंद पदते स्वतिति। उद्धव began to tell like this. उद्धव जी गोपियों की महिमा को देखा, हिमालय से भी ऊंचा और अपने को बहुत तुच्छ एक धूली कणा के समान में देखा, किंतु उनके हृदय में कृष्ण के प्रति विरह नहीं, क्योंकि वो कृष्ण को भगवान समझते हैं। यहाँ पर भगवत्ता का ज्ञान होता है, तत्व ज्ञान होता है, उसे कृष्ण का प्रेम शिथिल हो जाता है, उस प्रेम को अनुभव नहीं कर सकते हैं, वैसे प्रेम उनके हृदय में नहीं आएगा। किंतु देखा गोपियों का भाव, कृष्ण को भगवान नहीं मानती, अपना प्रेमी प्रिय मानती हैं, इसलिए गोपियों को वो वंदना करने लगे, कहने लगे आज हमारा जीवन सार्थक हो गया है। गोपियों ने गोपियों का यह प्रेम देकर के हमारा महान उपकार इन लोगों ने किया, वे महान अनुग्रह हमारे प्रति अनुग्रह किया, इनका ऐसा देकर के भाव, इनके चरणों की धूली हो सकूं हमारा जीवन सार्थक हो जाएगा। इनके चरणों की धूली की मैं वंदना करता हूं और इनकी चरण की धूली होने के लिए मैं ब्रज में कहीं घास यदि हो जाऊं, कहीं गुलमलता हो जाऊं, हमारा जीवन सार्थ हो जाएगा। Buddha is praying that if I will be any grass, creeper, tree or anything where the dust of the feet of lotus feet of gopis will come to my head, then my life will be successful. He thought that I cannot do this. So where the dust are there in direction, I am doing Valli Pranam. And then he told, Bande Nanda Prishtinam Padareinum Krishna. I cannot pray all the dust. I want to pray only one dust particle. Where Srishti Chaturthi, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, only one, and it is sufficient for me. And he began to weep and pray like this. So Uddhav, after some time, came here in this place and he became grass. There is a Shamkuti here. When we will come doing parikrama, we can go there. Behind Kusum Sarovar. Kusum Sarovar is here. So he became grass in Kusum Sarovar and Gopi dust was there. Also Buddha came to this place. He was in Braja, kitna mahina? 6 mahina ki 3 mahina? 3 mahina? He was 3 months here, everywhere in Braj with gopis, always pacifying all the gopis and Nanda Baba Yashoda. But at last, he wanted to become a grass here and he became grass. After some time, Parikshit Maharaj came to him with Bajranath, with Gargacharya Sandil Rishi, to this place, and with the Ranis of Dwarka, he came to this place and began to do kirtan here. Arjun also came here. All the associates of Dwarka came. With Uddhav they began to dance and sing so loudly. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. At once Krishna appeared with all the gopis here, and they took darshan, and in a moment they disappeared in this place. So this place is so sacred. यह स्थान बहुत पवित्र है, हम लोग का जीवन सार्थक है जो हम लोग यहाँ पर आए। और भी बहुत कुछ कहना था, हमने संक्षेप में बतलाया, बहुत देरी हो जाएगी। I wanted to explain so much things, but our time. Pujapad Maharaj telling there are two boats, meeting and separation. Both will be there. If there is no separation, there will be no pleasure of meeting. So both are there, here in pressure. Always separation makes
Separation makes the meeting more enjoyable, pleasurable. That's what Maharaj wanted to say.
My English is lame and very poor.
Very perfect. Perfect.
One thing is led by Maharaj. I am to
Always.
I will submit to before you. Yes. It is very difficult for us because we are not so much expert in speaking English. So it is not clearly explained to you. However, we are trying, you should understand it. The Gopi who sang Tava Kathamritam Sakta Jivanam Kavivi Riditam Karma Sapaham Savana Mangalam Srimadatam Bhavi Gyanti De Bhuvidajana. This was also uttered by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Tava Kathamritam. Uddhav came to console Gopis and others, members of the Braja, with Krishna, news of Krishna. But the more he gave the news to them, the more they became bewildered. They could not tolerate. Tava Kathamritam, your speech, your katha, your something what about you is amrita. But to us, it is like death. It is acting like death. But what is that? If you personally come and speak before us, then it is our life. And unless your word, your story narrated to us by Andasam, it is death like. It is like death to us. Thank you.
In the evening, our class there, we can explain more. सुभानंद जी भी वहीं पर बोलेंगे। सिर्फ सुभानंद जी का बोलने के लिए आप उनको उठा रहा है, किंतु अभी समय नहीं है, तो वहाँ पर हम लोग बोलेंगे और सुनेंगे। We will hear. You should make 2 lines as usual, and we will.